Let's make pillowy Hong Kong style mango pancakes. You are sure to fall in love with this delicious dessert. You'll need 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, 2.5 tablespoons of melted and salted butter, milk of choice 3/4 cup, a half cup of water, and 3/4 cup of AP flour. Next, you're going to whisk your eggs and incorporate the milk, water, butter, and the sugar and the salt. Then sift your flour in another bowl. Then pour half of the wet mix into the flour, whisk it well, then add in the remaining batter. Strain the batter, cover it, and refrigerate it for 1 hour. Next, peel your mangoes and cut them into halves. Now it's time to make the whipped cream. You need a cold, clean bowl, a half pint of heavy whipped cream. Whisk it well, and in the middle of that, add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and whip it till it is stiff peaks. Now make your crepes. Using a crepe pan makes it easy, a batter spreader, and a crepe spatula. Low-medium heat so all the color stays really nice and even. You don't want to brown your crepes. Now assemble your mango pancakes. Put the smooth side down of the crepe. Add a big dollop of whipped cream, the mango half on top. Fold it like a spring roll or like a burrito shape. Keep going, it will just seal itself, and place it back on the plate with the seam side down, and enjoy your mango pancakes.